Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nebula, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. I'm going to start out with, use some soap, some regular dish soap, some olive oil, or just like, I guess, any oil you have. And I have this brush scrubber here. And I have a container to put this in, and then I have a towel to like lay the brushes off to dry them. So these are my dirty makeup brushes and beauty blenders. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I clean them. I'm gonna start off putting some soap in the bucket. Then we're gonna put some olive oil. I'm gonna start with this brush. So just put in here, swirl it around. It has a little like spot where you can put your hand in. You take this and you kind of scrub it. Alright, now I'm gonna let that sit here. And take another brush, put it in the mixture, scrub.
Yeah.
Now I just lay them out on this towel to let them dry, maybe for like overnight or like a day or something, but just to let them thoroughly dry. I'll show you guys how they look when they're all the way dry, but you can see that they're very clean, way cleaner than they were. But yeah. Alright, so it's the next morning. So they've been drying overnight, and they're, yeah, I would say they're mostly dry. The beauty blenders, they're not like all the way dry. Like I can feel that it's still like wet in the middle, so I'm gonna leave those out still to like air dry. And I might possibly go over it with the blow dryer just to like dry them faster. But yeah, this is how they're looking. Very nice and clean. So the soap cleanses the brushes, and the oil kind of like moisturizes them so they're not like all dry and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.